and you're gonna go ahead and flip one, and I have to figure out which one you flipped.
Okay. And as you can see, whatever we flipped so far is pretty random. So
Yes.
I'm just going to decide on that one and see if she can figure it out. Okay,
so
Bree.
ready?
Yes.
Okay. So it was this one.
Very good.
Want to try it again?
Sure.
Okay. So.
All right. Let's see if she can get it.
Okay. Let's see. So it's gonna be this one.
Very good again.
All right. Hi everyone, I'm Bree,
And I'm Jean.
and we are doing No Screen Time, Steam Time, and we are going to be exploring technology.
Which, say it with us,
Is the T in STEAM.
We will discover how computers detect errors using parity bits.
And experience a great debugging activity.
Okay, and today we are going to do an activity called error detection.
Yes, and so don't forget to be on the lookout for the following STEAM vocabulary, which are
Error,
which is a mistake or an oopsie,
parity bits,
which is a bit used in error detection that computers use, in which a 0 or 1 is added to each group of bits so that it will either have an even number or an odd number of ones.
okay, and transmit.
Which is something that passes from one place or person to another. So in this
Okay.
case, it would be computers.
Okay,
All right.
so the supplies you're going to need, again, very simple, construction paper, glue, and a buddy.
And this is going to be fun because you guys are going to look like you know magic. The lesson today, we are focusing on debugging. We're going to explore even parity, which is something we just talked about, and we'll go more into detail. And then it will also help us build our computational thinking skills.
Okay, we
Okay.
ready to go?
Yes. All right, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay, so we're all set up. So like Jean said, you're gonna need construction paper, glue, and a buddy. So we only have one sheet here, but what we did is you're gonna need two different sides of cards. So you're gonna need at least 36 cards. So we did red on one side, purple on the other side. They have to be identical, so don't do some red and green and some red and white or something like that. No, they have to all be whatever two colors you choose. Okay, so we
right.
have ours already set up and cut up. And so now what we're gonna do is Jean is going to set up a grid, and it's gonna be a 5x5 grid. So 5 columns and 5 rows, which we covered in one of our other videos, pixel art. So she's gonna go ahead and just do that, and they can be random, so they can be flipped up. So you can either have red, purple, so Jean's gonna decide which way
Okay.
she wants them flipped.
All right. So, 1, 2, 3. This is my 4th row. 5 columns and 5 rows. What's next, Bree?
Okay, and just to show you guys kind of behind the scenes and how it works, just to make sure everyone understands. So Jean has her grid,
Yes.
5x5.
5x5, yes. And I am just going to flip over random cards throughout the grid, okay? And I can do as many as I want.
Exactly. All right, perfect.
Okay.
So now I'm going to casually add another row and column to make it harder, like I said. Jean doesn't know. And we're going to make sure that, so she's red, we have very little red, so I'm going to choose that to be my 1 bit. And so I just got to make sure there's an even amount of red in each row and column. So she has 1 red right there, so I'm going to add another red. She has 1 red right there, so I'm going to go ahead and add another red. She has 1 red right here. I'm going to go ahead and do another red. She has 1 red right here. I'm going to go ahead and do another red. She has 2 reds right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a purple. And now I have my last row. So I have an even number of red in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do another purple. I have an even number right here, I'm gonna do a purple. There's none in here, so we're gonna do a purple, so keep it even.
Okay.
0 is also an even number. So we have 1 right here, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a red. 1 right here, I'm gonna do a red. And then we have 2 right there. So I'm gonna add a purple, okay? So now we have even number of 1s in each row and each column. So
Okay.
when she goes to flip one, I'm gonna recognize immediately which one has the odd one out, okay? So
Okay.
now we're gonna test it out. I'm gonna flip back over. All
Let
right.
me think. Try to make it a little bit challenging for her. Let's see if she'll get this one right here. Okay.
Okay,
Okay, Bree, all set?
ready?
Mhm.
Let's see. Okay, so I see that we have 3 in this row and 3 in this column. This is going to be the card that she flipped.
Very good.
Okay, and then let's
Alright.
try it one more time.
All right. Again, a little challenge. Let's see. We'll go with this one. Okay, let's see if she can get it.
All
Bree.
right. Let's look. So immediately I see there's 3 right here, and there's
Right.
3 right here. So this one was the one she flipped. Okay.
Very good.
So yeah, pretty
All
cool.
right. Mhm.
And it's easy to train your eye, especially if you use very contrasting colors.
Right.
So yeah, give it a try at home. I hope you guys like it. Make sure you wow your friends and family.
Yes. And if you get any pictures while you're doing the activity, you can share them with us on Facebook. Okay.
All right, guys. I hope you have a good time. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.